Simple and short, a PE ratio is how much US dollars you would pay at the current stock price for each dollar the company made last year. The formula for this is the PE ratio equals P divided by EPS. P stands for the current price of the share, and EPS, earnings per share. Example for that, if a stock trades at a PE of 10, that means you pay $10 for every dollar earned the past year. Function of this is that it helps investors evaluate a company better. The lower the PE, the lower the prices. Average PE ratios are about 15 to 25. For example, Apple with 18 and Facebook with 23.3. Note that some companies don't have a PE ratio. That's because they made a loss the past year. For example, Tesla and Uber. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment down below.